breaking news coming in this time around in the state of West Bengal. As far as the Kolkata rape murder horror is concerned, the doctors are unrelenting in their demand. They are going to continue with their stir. As far as the Kolkata protesting doctors are concerned, they just had a clash with the Kolkata police a short while ago. Remember, the Supreme Court yesterday on 9 September had asked the doctors to end their stir by today 5 p.m. But the doctors do not seem to pay heed to the demand or the diktat of the Supreme Court. The Kolkata rape horror is concerned. The doctors are unrelenting in their stir. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining me live right now to get us more details. Well, Sabyasachi, take us through what exactly is the plan of action here. Or what we're given to understand is that the doctors are not willing to give up on their protest. What are their demands? What is going to be the way forward?
Well, that's right. The junior doctors have made it clear that until and unless their demands are fulfilled, they are not going to give up with the protest. Let me show you the visuals. We are on the other side of the barricade, and on the other side is the doctors, junior doctors, who have come from different medical college and hospital. Now, this particular protest has been called in by the joint platform of doctors in the state of West Bengal. Now, this call has been given to different people from different communities also have participated in the protest. Now, the junior doctors has been speaking with the West Bengal police officers who are currently at the spot. Now, the doctors have announced that they would be sitting on a dharna right in front of the Shastro Bhavan here in Bidhan Nagar, and they would continue their agitation for 2 more days if their demands are not fulfilled. Earlier also, there were 5 to 6 demands that had come in from the junior doctor side. They want clarity as far as the investigation is concerned. They want a daily update in the investigation. Also, they want the resignation of Kolkata Police Commissioner. Now, yesterday, after the Supreme Court had given a deadline of 5 p.m. to the junior doctors to finish their agitation, late in the night, they hold a press conference. They say that they would get out the Shastro Bhavan. They have brought in broomsticks with them to clean the Shastro Bhavan. They say that the Shastro Bhavan, the health department, needs a proper cleaning. They want the resignation of the health secretary as well as the other administrators from the health department, because they are alleging that under the guidance of the health department, the demolition work near the crime scene took place. Now, these set of demands they have put forth towards the state government, and they say that if the state government agrees their demand, they are willing to call off their protest before 5 p.m. Now, clearly, the state government also, we have heard Mamata Banerjee doing the press conference where she clearly hinted that some of the demands, if the doctors put out 10 demands and the state can agree on 5 demands and other 5 the state may not agree. So clearly there is a sort of differences between the state administration as well as the student doctors, and the student doctors clearly stated that they would continue with their agitation until and unless all their demands are met.